Hello everyone. Welcome to our first ever live launch event of Xiaomi in Nepal. So we will just wait for 2 more minutes and we will start exactly at 12 o'clock. And while we wait, I hope everybody is doing great, doing safe with their family, enjoying the lockdown. And I hope everybody is following the full government restrictions during the lockdown. Thank you for joining in. So I hope everybody is doing great in this lockdown. Today we have some really exciting products lined up for you to launch in Nepal. Thank you everyone. Thanks for joining in. We'll just start in 1 more minute. Alright, so it's 12 o'clock and let's start our first ever live stream launch event of Xiaomi in Nepal. I'm really excited to also let you all know that Xiaomi is now Nepal's #1 smartphone brand as per IDC in Q1 2020. So we do have some exciting products launches lined right away for you all. Jumping right in to the first product of the day, the most exciting Mi 10. So that's the Mi 10 for you in all its glory, in both its colors we are launching in the Nepal market. The first color being the coral green, the most exciting color out there, and for the elegant ones out there, the twilight gray. So here are the two colors we are launching in Nepal in their full glory. Beautiful colors, beautiful design. Now we've divided this presentation into 4 parts: display, camera, performance and power. Jumping right in onto the display section. The Mi 10 comes with a 6.67 inches 3D curved AMOLED display with SDR10 Plus and 800 nits peak brightness. That's a really bright screen for you. It also comes with True Color, which is perfect for professionals like designers, creators, artists and photographers. So if you are any of these professionals, you will simply fall in love with the amazing display of Mi 10. How do we measure the display color trueness? It's through the JNCD index, which is the just noticeable color difference. The JNCD of Mi 10 is less than 0.55. It means that it can give you details which are not even distinguishable by the human eye. This display is much better than any other display out there currently in the market. Also housing is a left aligned tiny dot selfie camera which is so small that it is hardly noticeable. It gives you a great cinematic experience without any intrusion. The screen of the Mi 10 has 800 nits maximum brightness. In fact, this is the highest brightness panel which Xiaomi has shipped so far on any commercial device. Also included is a screen which refreshes for 90 times per second and a 180 Hz touch sampling rate. For all the gamers out there, for all the people who enjoy online gaming, this will give you a competitive edge and an amazing gaming experience. So that's the screen for you. AMOLED curved display with True Color, micro dot display camera, 800 nits brightness, 180 Hz touch sampling, 90 Hz high refresh rate. Moving on to camera. The Mi 10 comes with a shoot steady mode. With a combination of OIS and EIS, it gives you really stable and steady videos while shooting. Let's see this through a video. So this, you can see how with the shoot steady on, some really steady videos can be shot and seen. Coming on to the primary camera of the Mi 10 is an 108 million pixels one. In fact, this is the highest pixel in any commercially available device as of today, and this is the first 108 megapixel device to be launched in Nepal. Also, the sensor size is really large. It is 1 by 1.33 inches, really large sensor to capture more light, giving you crisper, sharper, clearer images. So that's the full camera array for you. 108 megapixel main camera with 1 by 1.33 inches sensor, 7p lens with OIS, 1.6 micron super pixel, 13 megapixel ultra wide camera with 123 degrees field of vision, a 2 megapixel macro lens for macro shots, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor for portrait photos. The Mi 10 has a custom high power motor which gives you an amazing OIS experience, gives you lag free videos, steady videos while you shoot them. Taking a look at some of the pictures we are shot from the Mi 10. Here you can see how clear the picture is, given even the dynamic range of the full picture. There are various colors out there, there is light, there is darkness, everything is really well captured, and once you zoom in into that billboard, you can even read the finest of prints out there. That is the power of the 108 megapixel camera sensor out there. Coming on to the night mode. The night mode on the Mi 10 is so good that we have named it the Night Mode 2.0. So the biggest problem in night shots is because of challenging lighting conditions, there are a lot of grains in the photo is not as clear. But in the Mi 10, due to the super pixel technology, there is hardly any grains present even in the night mode, and you can see really clean, crisp images even in the challenging lighting conditions. Taking a look at another picture from the night mode of the Mi 10 camera, you can see how even the individual leaves are very well captured. The dynamic range, all the different colors are captured really well. Talking about the portrait mode of the Mi 10, this picture taken in a cinematic mode, which is 2.39:1 aspect ratio. You can see how the background is blurred really efficiently, while the foreground, the person is in sharp focus. The supreme AI capability of this phone, that's why we have named it the AI 2.0, which gives you amazing exposure correction, noise reduction and auto SDR, while also adjusting all your colors, fixing all the contrast and tuning the brightness levels. Now, a great camera phone is not a great camera phone without a good pro mode, and in the Mi 10 we have made sure to have a great pro mode in. So here are some of the features which are available on the pro mode of the Mi 10 camera. Focus peaking, exposure verification, histogram, log mode, RAW mode. A lot of features are there. Now we would like to explain this through a video. Just check out this video. That was a nice video, right? I am sure all the photographers out there, all our Mi fans who love clicking amazing photos would love the Pro Video mode of the Mi 10. Also included on the Mi 10 is a log mode where you can log your videos with real-time dynamic contrast to edit it later. Also, a great camera comes with a great RAW mode as well, which is included in the Mi 10 also. You can click photos of up to 52 MB size through the RAW mode of Mi 10 to post-process it later. So that's the camera of the Mi 10, 108 megapixel quad camera with 1.33 inches large sensor, 7p lens, 8K video recording facility, OIS and EIS, Pro Photo, Pro Video mode, RAW mode, log mode, vlog mode, night mode, portrait mode, and many more amazing modes to choose from. Talking about the supremely important performance. For the first time in Nepal, a phone is launching with a Snapdragon 865. Yes, the Mi 10 has the latest Snapdragon 865 processor with Qualcomm Adreno 650 GPU, which gives you 25% better performance, supports 5G, supports Wi-Fi 6, 100% better AI performance, and 25 to 30% better power efficiency. With the Wi-Fi 6, you can download up to 2.7 times faster with a maximum speed of 9.6 Gbps, and it improves your speeds even in congested areas while using very less power. Also included in the phone is the LPDDR5, the latest RAM which is available on commercial devices, which gives you 30% faster performance with lower power consumption. So the fastest RAM and the fastest storage are available. The storage of UFS 3.0 also available. The variant which we will be launching today in Nepal is the 8 GB RAM and 256 GB internal memory one. Now such a great camera, such a great performance, such a great processor needs a great cooling infrastructure as well. So your Mi 10 has a liquid cool 2.0 vapor chamber along with a multi-layer graphite and graphite coating, which decreases the CPU temperature by up to 10.5 degrees centigrade. So you can use your phone for the heaviest of tasks, for the best of gaming without worrying about it heating up. So that's the processor department of the Mi 10. Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 on 7 nanometer process technology, dual band 5G, Qualcomm Adreno 650 GPU, liquid cool 2.0 vapor chamber, LPDDR5 RAM, and UFS 3.0 storage. Talking about the power of the phone, the Mi 10 comes with a 4780 mAh high capacity battery, and even though the battery is huge, the thickness of the phone is still less than 9 millimeter, and the frame thickness on the corners is still just 2.2 millimeters. So it is very sleek, very handy phone despite having a huge battery inside. Also included in the phone is a 30 watt wire turbocharge with a 30 watt charger inside. And very happy to inform you that for the first time we are giving up the world's fastest wireless charging also in the Mi 10, which is 30 watt. So a power which the power of wired charging being equal to the wireless charging is finally here. So it gives you 0 to 100% charge in just 65 minutes. So double fast charge, 30 watt wired and 30 watt wireless, all in your Mi 10. So that's the Mi 10 for you. 5G, Wi-Fi 6, multi-link, Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 on a 7 nanometer processing technology, 8 GB LPDDR5 RAM, 256 GB UFS 3.0 storage, liquid cool 2.0, 4780 mAh high capacity battery, 30 watt wired and wireless charging capability. Now, a great flagship phone is not great until it has a great user experience as well. And that is what we have made sure to include in the Mi 10 also. So Mi 10 has something called an X-axis linear vibration motor, which gives you simulation of a mechanical keyboard. It gives you 150 kinds of scene vibration optimization to give you a mechanical keyboard feeling while typing or while performing different tasks. Also included are dual stereo speakers, 12 millimeter by 16 millimeter super linear speakers, both on the top and the bottom, to give you a surround sound experience for your cinematic, for your gaming needs. This is much better than the asymmetrical speakers which are present on some of the competitor phones. It gives you better surround sound. It orients itself as per the usage of the user, and it gives you a better surround sound experience. Also included is an LSDC codec which gives you 3 times better data transfer speed for crystal clear voice in your wireless audio devices. Also, the Mi 10 comes with a multi-link, so you can connect to one 4G or 5G connection, one Wi-Fi running on a 2.4 GHz, and one Wi-Fi running on a 5 GHz simultaneously. So 3 internet connections can be running simultaneously on your Mi 10. Also included is a high-speed NFC and a super Bluetooth mode. That's the Mi 10 for you. 108 megapixel quad camera with OIS, Qualcomm Snapdragon 865, curved AMOLED display, 4780 mAh high capacity battery, 30-watt wired and wireless charging capability. And the RAM and ROM option which is available in Nepal is the 8GB and 256GB one. Let's take a look at a product video for the Mi 10. So that's the Mi 10 for you. Lights, camera, action. It's very difficult to compare this device with any other out there, but we are still going ahead to compare it with one flagship device which is out there, which is the Samsung S20 Plus. And the Mi 10 5G outshines the S20 Plus in every department, including processor, charging, camera, and the internal storage. And any guesses on the price? So the Mi 10 5G 8GB LPDDR5 RAM and 256GB UFS 3.0 storage goes on sale in Nepal at an amazing price of 89,999. So on NPR 89,999, you get the first 5G, first 108 megapixel camera, first Snapdragon 865, first 30-watt wireless charging capability phone in Nepal at just rupees 89,999. I hope you all love the price, love the phone as well. Great to listen to all the reviews out there, all the Mi fans who would be asking us questions out there. Also,